StruBIM Shear Walls is a program created for the design of reinforced concrete shear walls and coupling beams according to different codes. The program is integrated into the OpenBIM workflow via the BIM Service Center platform. StruBIM Shear Walls imports shear walls and coupling beams from the BIM project it is linked to, with the results of the structural analysis from programs such as SIPECAD. In SIPECAD, shear walls are entered as walls by activating the Shear Wall option. Also, all walls entered with the same tag are grouped together as a single shear wall. As for the coupling beams, the Beams menu includes the Automatic Coupling Beams option, which automatically defines the beams according to the defined parameters. There is also the Define Coupling Beams option, which allows us to manually designate the coupling beams. Once the structure has been analysed, the structural model is exported to the BIM project that the SIPECAD job is linked to. When starting a job in StruBIM Shear Walls, it must be linked to a BIM project from the BIM Service Center platform. The program imports the shear walls and coupling beams, including the structural analysis results, previously exported from programs such as SIPECAD. The program has a set of functions in the general data, from the design code configuration to be used, the steels and concrete types, the anchorage options, and the reinforcement layout criteria of shear walls and coupling beams, among others. For each structural element, we can define its specific properties, check the imported information of its geometry, the drifts, and the forces. Then, it allows us to carry out the design of the structural elements and their verification according to the selected code. Below the toolbar, in the top left corner of the work area, the list of shear walls imported from the OpenBIM project is displayed. Below, we can see their location in the 3D view. On the right, each shear wall displays information on its reinforcement and sections. Each section or span is composed of a series of reinforcement segments which the program designs, verifies, and allows us to edit. This information can be modified in a specific editing window for each selected span. On the right-hand side of the list of spans, the section of the wall is shown with the differentiated reinforcement segments. At the bottom of the screen, a table of checks for the selected reinforcement span appears. From this table, we can access the checks and the reports of justification checks, and consult the information on the verifications of the selected code. The Checks editing window allows us to edit entry data for the checks. For coupling beams, the procedure is similar to the one for shear walls and shows the results of the selected beams with their respective checks. The program offers the reinforcement reports obtained in the design, the detailing, the quantities, and the checks carried out either as a summary or as detailed checks as the output results. These documents can be printed directly or exported in different formats. Plus, we can automatically or manually generate drawings with sections and elevations of the shear walls designed in the program, as well as those of the coupling beams, which makes it easier to document the designs we've created. All authorised project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIM Service Center platform that allows them to access all the information from any device at any time.